Hey there, my name is Tim, speaking on behalf of Phoenix company NitroBrew, and I just want to explain how this system works. This system can infuse nitrogen from the air into the coffee that you already produce. You could pull from any container, so you don't even need it in a keg. So you don't need a nitrogen tank, and you don't even need pressurized kegs. All you would need is this system sitting on your countertop or mounted to the wall. Put one line into your coffee and the other to a small standard air compressor. We get the most controlled and the most consistent pour every time. You can also do this with teas, and juices, and other things, since you're not limited to what's in the keg anymore. So this is 78% nitrogen from the atmosphere being infused. And nitrogen is a tasteless gas, so really there should be no difference between what's in a tank, which is never quite 100%, and what we infuse. So it's a one-time buy, extremely small footprint way to offer nitro. All you have to do is pull on the tap handle. So thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any more questions.